Hello guys, and welcome to this is not Minecraft and this is not Portal. This is my computer screen, as you can see. We're on a website called pcspecialist.co.uk, and this is a website where you can build your own desktop or build your own laptop. And today I'm gonna show you a quick video on the computer I'm gonna build, because I know this is a very random video, and a lot of you will be like, what the fuck is he doing? But I just wanted to show you a quick video on the system I'm going to build, and this is recorded a few weeks before I've actually gonna buy it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click build your own PC, and it'll send you to this page. And you can either go AMD-based systems, which is an AMD-based processor, or a Intel-based processor, where you can get the i5 or the i7. And I'm going to go for an i5 processor, so we need to go on Intel-based systems. And then you get to pick your range between 300, and it can go all the way up to £3,000, which is for Crossfire gaming and Crossfire graphics cards with extreme i7 processor capabilities, such as overclocked to about, I think the highest I saw was a 4.5 overclock turbo processor. And so we're gonna go. My budget is £350 to £1,000, and these are second generation core. You can also, from this era, you can buy second generation cores, but you even get to select a case. It's not just a motherboard that you're buying. So you can actually select a case, and I'm going for this £35 one here. It's a blue. It's just got a blue edge, and I quite liked it. But yeah, it's got quite a few fan ports, so stop it from overheating. Made in Japan. I don't know if that helps. Just close these. Right. The processor I think I'm going to go for is a i5 quad core. Because that is quite powerful. At the moment I'm running a Intel Core 2 Duo, which is 2.13 GHz, so that's twice the speed of my processor right now. Now the motherboard here, you can either have a ATI Crossfire X, which will limit your, which means it's a bit better. You can have a better graphics card on it, but you can't have a FireWire port or a wireless internet port. So we're going to go for the preloaded one, and the memory I'm going to pick is 8 GB, because that is plenty enough. You don't really need up to 16. 16 gets quite expensive, because at the moment you can see over here we are at £528 for that's for the 8 gig, but if you put on the 16, it actually puts up to £582. You don't really need to spend an extra 60 quid on 8 gig of RAM. It's just going to be unused. The graphics card I'm going to use, as you know, I record in HD, and I record, and I like to keep everything on my channel HD. We're going to go for HD AMD RADEON graphics cards, and we're going to go to the 6790 Eyefinity 3 with HDMI capabilities, because that is quite a good one. Doesn't cost too much. It's about £100, which is quite good for a good graphics card. So that's the core components done, and now we move on down to the hard drives, optical storage, and memory card readers. I'm gonna pick a most people would know if you're gonna watch this video. CAVIAR black hard drives are better than greens, because at the moment I'm running a 320 black hard drive, which has a higher higher revolutions per minute. So, and I only want 500, because if I want more I can get more, but 500 doesn't cost that much. It's only £10. We're not going to have a second hard disk, and we're not going to have RAID. I don't know what it is really, basically, so I'm not going to get it. I'll probably just search it up on Google later. But if you don't know what anything is, you can click this little question mark icon, or you can go over here and click the help. We're going to need a DVD Blu-ray drive because I do like watching DVDs. Or I could go none, because on this laptop at the moment I do have a DVD Blu-ray rewriter. For something built in that's free, you might as well get it, mightn't you? It's rewriter. Well, it's a DVD rewriter, and it's just... Wait, is that the one I clicked? I'm not sure. I'm confused now. But that's the one it is, and that's what I'm getting. Memory card readers. It comes with a 52-in-1 card reader, XD, MS, CF, SD, etc., plus one USB port, which is a 1 times 2 USB port. We're going to need a 450 watt power supply, just because the core components up here. You can try it with a 350, but it will say you need a bigger power supply. Processor cooling. Now, what you want is you want something that's going to cool it quite quickly if you're going to play games such as Crysis or COD, because they will put a lot of they'll make your processor run quite fast, and it will heat up your computer quite quickly. So you need something that's gonna cool it down quite quickly. And I found that this Titan Fenrir Evo Extreme heat pipe cools it quite quickly, and it's only £40. So at the moment we're still under £700, and for these last few things, most of them didn't cost much. The sound card I won't be needing, so I'm not going to use that, because I have a good quality sound card in my laptop at the moment. Network facilities, it comes with a it comes with a LAN port already, so I'm going to get a wireless network card. I'm going to get this one, because £16 for a network card is not really that good, but 20 is enough, and it's only £20. But you could, if you want to spend a little bit more money, you could go to £33 and get 2, but I don't know why you want 2. I don't need a modem because I already have one. I don't need a floppy disk drive or FireWire or a TV card, because I'll just be using HDMI. The operating system that I am getting is Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit, because I don't actually need it, but I don't actually need an operating system, because I have a copy of Ultimate Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit and 32-bit, but you have to pick one, because I tried it without one and it said I needed to pick one, so I just picked this one. It's the cheapest and it's alright, I suppose. And just to note, the 64-bit and the 30-bit is the same price. So go for the 64 if you can. The free Microsoft Office starter is good. It's free Microsoft Office. Comes with a standard Office, Excel, PowerPoint, and that's the only ones I use, so that's the only one I know. Antivirus, I won't need any because I've got what is it? I have Avast antivirus, which is good. I will need a monitor, so the monitor I'm going to pick. These can get quite expensive down here. You've got a 3D HDMI one, which is about 20. I think it's about 20 inches. I'm not confident on that, but I think it's about 20 inches. But these are 3D ready monitors. These are touchscreen monitors, which I don't really want to have a touchscreen monitor. But I will need a HD one because of the HD graphics card I've picked. So I need the 22-inch LED widescreen HDMI one. It is only £140, which is quite good. You can have a second monitor because there are 2 monitor ports on the motherboard. HDMI cables you're gonna need. You can buy 1 2-meter, or you can buy any amount of HDMI cables you want. But I've already got one, so I won't. But I'm gonna need one anyway, so I'm gonna need a second one, obviously. This is 3D vision if you want 3D vision. I do not. Keyboard and mouse, you're going to need one, so it's going to be the one I'm going to pick is the Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse combo. My mate actually has that one, and he hasn't changed the batteries in his keyboard or mouse for the last 4 months, and he uses it quite often. Mouse, none. Speakers, I will need to buy them, but these ones are not that good, because these are the cheapest ones you can get is £9, but the sound quality on them is going to be horrible, so I can just buy some. Webcam, I don't know, £22 one. In case I ever decide to do a vlog. Headset, none, because I'm wearing my trusty Turtle Beach X11s. Surge protection. Now this is, if you don't know what it is, it's basically with power. If your power switches on and off, then you can have then your power can surge, and it will send power through your computer, then off, then through your computer again. It can fry your circuits, and that's not good on a computer you've just bought. That's going to cost at the moment £886. So what you want to get, you can either get the surge protector, which will then protect your computer from being surged, or you can get the auto power off function, which will, if it detects a surge, it will just shut straight off. Which I think for £20 is good enough. It'll save you on £100 going down the shop. Printer, none, and external hard drives, none, because I already have an external hard drive and a printer. With the warranty, you get, as standard, a 3-year standard warranty, 1 month collect and return, 1 year parts, and 3 years labour, which is good. I thought it was quite good. Or you can get 3 year silver warranty, which is 1 year collect and return, 1 year parts, 3 years labour, and that's for £5. So I'm going to get that one. Home installation, none. Data recovery, I don't think I'm going to get data recovery, because that's because I can just do a data recovery if I can upload it to Dropbox, or I can put it on different external hard drives. Delivery is just standard, because I don't want this extremely quickly, or I don't want it too quick, or because I can wait. And the build time is 10 to 12 working days, which I think is good enough. So we have finished building my computer that I wanted, and it's, at the moment, we have all the parts that I want, and it comes to a nice £910, which is under the £1,000 budget, like I said. And I should be getting this in a few weeks. So, I thank you so much for watching. I have been Murrayman, and you have just watched the most retarded video ever. Thank you.